What if your calendar could talk to an AI and surprise you with a cool fact related to your class that day? And the best part? You don't need to code a single line. I'll show you how to build this AI agent in under 5 minutes. We're going to build this using simple, everyday tools like Google Calendar, ChatGPT, Gmail, and a no-code automation platform called Zapier. Now, just a heads up, while most of these tools are completely free to use, ChatGPT's API isn't technically free. But here's the good news. When you sign up, OpenAI gives you free credits, and that's more than enough to get started and run a few fun prompts every day. And if you ever go beyond that, it costs just a tiny amount, like fractions of a cent per prompt. All right, suppose this is your class schedule in Google Calendar. You've got history on Monday, French on Tuesday, physics midweek. You get the idea. Let's get started by heading over to Zapier.com. You can log in using your Google account or any email, but since we're using Google Calendar, I recommend using your Google account. That way, Zapier can instantly access your calendars without any extra setup. Once you're in, click on the orange Zap button under Start from Scratch. Now it's time to set our trigger. This is what kicks off the automation. Select Google Calendar as the trigger app. Next, choose Event Start. That means this Zap will run shortly before any class begins. Click Continue, and now select your calendar. If you signed in with Google, your calendars should already be listed here. Lastly, tell Zapier how many minutes before the event it should trigger. I'm setting it to 15 minutes for this demo, but feel free to adjust it based on how early you want the fun fact. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier will search your Google Calendar and pull in one of your recent events, like this one, Event A, from your calendar. If it shows up here, you're all set. Just hit Continue with selected record. And now comes the magic part. We'll connect this calendar event to ChatGPT, so your AI agent can read it and generate a fun fact. Once you click on ChatGPT, OpenAI, you're basically giving your AI agent a brain. Next, choose the action called Send Prompt. This is how we'll tell ChatGPT what kind of response we want based on your class. Now connect your OpenAI account. If this is your first time doing it, just paste your API key here. You can find your API key by logging in at platform.openai.com/API-keys and clicking Create New Secret Key. Don't worry, you get free credits when you sign up, and it's more than enough for fun daily use. Once you paste your API key, Zapier will automatically connect your ChatGPT account. You should now see your email or account listed right here. That means we're all set. Our AI agent officially has a brain. And now, we're inside the Configure section for our ChatGPT step. For the model, leave it set to GPT 3.5 Turbo Instruct. That's perfect for short, creative responses, exactly what we need. And right below that is the prompt field. This is the heart of our automation. This is where we'll tell ChatGPT what kind of fun fact to generate. Now it's time to tell ChatGPT exactly what we want it to do. In the prompt box, type, "Give me a fun fact related to the following subject." Keep it short, surprising, and interesting. Then click the plus icon and select Summary. This is the title of your calendar event, which usually contains the subject name. Zapier maps that as Summary. Now, based on the timing we set in the first step, your AI agent will automatically generate a fun fact tailored to that subject. Now it's time to test if everything's working. Zapier shows us exactly what it's about to send to ChatGPT, including our selected model and the prompt we just created. Just click Test Step, and Zapier will send a real request to ChatGPT using your setup. And boom, it worked. ChatGPT just responded with a fun fact based on the prompt we set. This is the kind of message your AI agent will send out, short, interesting, and completely automated. We're almost there. Now let's connect this output to Gmail so it actually gets delivered to your inbox. But don't click Publish yet. We still need to add one more step. Click on plus Add another step. Then search for and select Gmail from the list of apps. From the available actions, choose Send Email. Click Continue. Now we'll set up the email that gets sent with the fun fact ChatGPT generated. Let's fill in the email details, starting with the basics. In the To field, enter your email address or any address you want the fun fact to be sent to. Leave Send Message to Google Contacts Group/label set to false unless you're sending to a group. You can leave CC and BCC blank or use them if you want to send a copy elsewhere. Under From, choose your Gmail account. If you signed in using your Google account earlier, it should already be available here. Scroll down to fill in the rest. In the From name, type something like AI Class Bot. This is what will show up in your inbox. You can skip the Reply To unless you need responses. Now in the subject line, type something fun like, Your cool class fact is here. And finally, the most important part, the body. Click the plus icon and select Response from the ChatGPT step. That's the fun fact that was generated, and now it's going straight to your inbox. Now click Continue. You'll land on this test screen, and just like before, Zapier is asking if you'd like to send a test email using the information you just filled out. If everything looks good, especially the To address and the ChatGPT response, go ahead and click Test Step. In just a few seconds, you should see a success message, and that fun fact should land right in your inbox. That means everything's wired up perfectly. Your calendar triggers the AI generates the fact, and now Gmail delivers it to you. Neat, right? Let's move to the final step, turning this automation on. Now that everything's tested and working, it's time for the final step. Click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. Your no-code AI agent is officially live. From now on, whenever a class is about to start, your calendar will quietly send a fun fact straight to your inbox, powered by ChatGPT. Simple, automated, smart. And this is just the beginning. With the same simple tools, you can build AI agents that summarize your study materials in Google Docs, organize notes in Google Sheets, or even auto-generate presentation slides with Google Slides. No code, no hassle, just smart automation to make your life easier. Got more ideas you'd love to see? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone. If this sparked something for you, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Control-Alt-IT for more powerful AI workflows, all built the easy way. Thanks for watching.